Welcome students. Today I am going to discuss the units which are used to measure area. The units which we will use in this class are centimeter, meter and millimeter. We always write the area in square centimeter, square meter and square millimeter. Why? Because square is the best unit for measuring area. And the short form to write square centimeter is SQ dot centimeter. SQ dot meter for square meter, and for square millimeter SQ dot millimeter. Now let us learn few tricks to find out the area of rectangle and area of square. So as you can see students, this is a rectangle. Here it has two columns, 1 and 2. And in each column there is only one square. One square is in this column, one square is in this column. So to find out the area, we multiply the number of columns by the number of the squares. So its area is 2 multiplied by 1, and this is equal to 2, right? Or in simple words, we can say that this is the length of the rectangle and this is the breadth of the rectangle. Because two squares are there, so the length is 2 squares and the breadth is 1 square. So we will multiply 2 by 1 and the answer is 2. Let us understand this by taking another example. This is a rectangle. Now here if we see, there is only one column. And in this column how many squares are there? 1, 2 and 3 squares are there. So we will multiply the number of column by the number of squares. So number of column is 1, 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. So its area is 3 square units. If 1 square is equals to 1 centimeter, so we will write square centimeter, otherwise square units we will write. Okay? Or we can say that if this is a rectangle and it has length is equals to 1 centimeter and breadth is equals to 3 centimeter, then we will multiply to find out the area of this, we will multiply 1 by 3 and we will get 3 square units. Let us make it more simpler, that to find out the area of a rectangle, the trick is that we will multiply the length by breadth. Simply just multiply the length by breadth. And to find out the area of a square, because we know that in a square all the four sides are equal like this. Now this is a square and how many squares are there in between? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 squares are there. So we will multiply 4 by this, and how many 4 squares are there, right? And 1 square is equals to 1 centimeter. So 4 by 1 is equals to 4, right? Or in other way, if we see 2 squares are there, this is the length or the side. Here 2 squares are there, here also 2 squares are there, 2 squares are there. So the length of each side is 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So what do we have to do? We will multiply the side by side. So 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So we will multiply and we will get the answer. This is 4 square units, right? So to make it more simpler, what do we do? To find out the area of square, we multiply the side by side, right? This is the trick we will use for to find out the area of a square, and this is the trick we will use to find out the area of the rectangle. Now let us understand this more by doing the questions of worksheet 3. Coming on to worksheet 3, the first question is fill in the blanks. A part is the best unit of measuring area is, you all know this? Yes, square. Measure of the amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called its area. Area of a rectangle is equals to length multiplied by breadth. I have given you the trick that what do you have to do? You have to multiply the length by breadth. Area of a square is equals to, we multiply side by side. So you will write here side multiplied by side. The area of a square having one side equal to 1 centimeter is. Now that square is having one side equals to 1 centimeter. That means the length of one side is 1 centimeter. So to find out the area of a square, we use the trick side multiply by side. So 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. So here 1 multiplied by 1 is equals to 1. And because this is 1 centimeter, so we will write its answer as square centimeter. So this is the answer. 1 square centimeter. Question number 2 is, find the area of the rectangle whose dimensions are given below. Now here the length of the rectangle is 8 centimeter and the breadth is 3 centimeter. So to find out the area of the rectangle, what do? We will multiply the length by breadth. First write length is equals to 8 centimeter, breadth is equals to 3 centimeter and area is equals to length into breadth. That means 8 multiplied by 3. 8 centimeter multiplied by 3 centimeter. Write centimeter also here. So this is equals to 8 3s are 24. So 24 square centimeter. Not only centimeter, just write square centimeter. Okay students, question number 2nd B part. Now here students, what do you have to do? Because length is 12 centimeter, breadth is 9 centimeter, multiply the length by breadth. So 12 multiplied by 9. Again write centimeter along with these, and 12 9s are 108 square centimeter. This is the answer. C part is 32 centimeter and 12 meter. By mistake I have written this 32 as centimeter, but I will do it as centimeter only. In your books it's 32 meter and 12 meter. You just multiply 32 by 12. But because I have taken it as meter and this as centimeter, so I will convert this meter into centimeter. 12 multiplied by 100, this is equals to, because 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, so this is equals to 1200 centimeter. And to find out the area of this 32 centimeter multiplied by 1200 centimeter, the answer is equals to 384. Directly multiply 32 by 12. And because 2 zeros are there, so put 2 zeros along with it, and the answer is and write the answer in square centimeter. Next is D part. Here length is 1 meter and breadth is 75 centimeter. Now convert this meter into the centimeter. So because 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, so this is equals to 100 centimeter. And breadth is 75, multiply this and you will get the answer 7500 square centimeter. In the third question students, what do you have to do? Find the area of the following squares. Now the side of the square is given, so we will apply the trick to find out the area of the square. We apply area is equals to side multiplied by side. So here multiply 6 centimeter by 6 centimeter and you will get the answer 6 6 are 36 square centimeter. So this is the answer. In the B part of this, 11 centimeter is the side, so multiply 11 centimeter by 11 centimeter and you will get the answer 121 square centimeter. You can multiply this like this. So students, I hope this concept is clear to all of you. So do question number 1 in books only and question number 2 and 3 in your fair notebooks. Thank you.